This is going to be a fun animal video. Chipmunk's being fed, is holding nuts in his mouth, although only one is given at a time. The little guy is still happy. Into the hands of well-wishers. I took out a lot of nuts at once. After being stunned for 2 seconds, he directly tilted his mouth in anger, obviously feeling teased. If it weren't for the food in your mouth, you have to bite. So today, let's take a look at those angry animals. Seal pups bark angrily like puppies. The loyal rabbit finds that his companion is about to be taken away. Very angry. Keep attacking with small fists. A raccoon that was swept out by the homeowner. Very unwilling, at the door for a long time, refused to leave. The dog's inner thoughts are essentially 2 vs 2. What's there to be afraid of? An angry parrot. Jealousy makes him unrecognizable. A cursing Norwegian lemming. The baby beaver feels that the feeding speed is too slow. Angrily ripped off the pacifier and refused to return it. The kangaroo wants to rush in and ask someone to gesture. The owner wants to give the otter a better environment, but it seemed to anger him. The experience of bighorn cattle with nowhere to vent. What kind of broken box is this? Angry baby sea otter grins. The daily life of elephants. The angry penguins began a fierce battle. Seals go up against patrolmen. Don't want to be driven back into the sea. An angry donkey. Raise high. Put it down gently. Texas with strong folk customs. Even the little wild boar has a big temper. Put all these people on my blacklist. It's not enough for walrus to be blacklisted. Make sure they pay. In front of the chieftain, I'll see which of you dares to make trouble. Secret burger. beat myself up. A very angry desert fish frog. Snatching food and longing for fries but not getting them. Which situation makes the seagulls more angry?